July, and I've been in custody for like this the fourth day, because if you because I say no on the application of getting money by God's president. Then by so doing, they talked about easy court. 30th must be yesterday, maybe yesterday. But I've been in custody for 3 days, which means this is a report which is misleading. Because I've been in custody, which you know, the DCI, for this is the third day is gone. If I sleep that day, the fourth day. And you see, the application talks about 30th. Because if you check on the registration sheet of the site which I was, which he knows, there is a report there that I was in on this day. Until even today, I'm out. They recorded I'm out. I didn't come from my house. So that background report is misleading and it's not right information to the court. Because if I've been in custody, maybe this is about maybe the fourth day. Then the background information can be proved by my reporting in the custody where I have been. So I'm requesting humbly in the court that those 4 days to be reduced from the application, which they have made to detain me for 12 days, they be reduced from the application I made for 12 days. Because it is misleading and cheating that I have been in custody maybe 1 day. So that's a cheat on their side. And on the summary of investigation, they should be able to give a summary of completion of accountability on financial balance sheet, how the money was received from the other person A and person B to my account. That is the only report which should be the analysis on that. And then on my observation on the mobile interpretation of the laboratory, you can also, as a DCI, do that in the checkup using a phone which has WhatsApp, things like that. The phone which they took from me is a phone of 1,000, which 1,000 shillings, which doesn't have WhatsApp messages, things like that. So I only asked them in the summary report to give financial establishment evaluation between the complainant and me receiving that money from account transfer or a bank statement. Because that will give the court to give proper judgment, but not just word of mouth. That's my direction. And I request to put in lawyers also to talk this when I'm seated. I understand what is happening because the law says 24 hours in court. Then why did they lack 24 hours in court? As my learned friend also talked about this. So this is a very simple case because it's on account balancement from person A to person B. Then if they will not be able to do that, then they will be given the honorable court very easy time to reject the case. Very simple. From Kisumu, Weekly for Law, Maseno University. The day I came is 4 days ago, and the day I was arrested at Easy Court. If a person writes that you have started in Easy Court, then you don't say the truth, and if you go to the police side where I was, that entry is there, which will be against them when my lawyers will get those interpretations. So now my request is not for this to be reduced from the application, so that you could also come down on my favor as the Constitution of Kenya requires. After business for the university, then I do work like academic director for International University of East Africa in Kenya. So my Lord, this is a very simple thing to me, to my understanding, that we also get a very easy ruling minus accountability of financial judgment from that account to my account or M-Pesa, because we will not use common sense to do it. That's all.
So they have this.
Yes, apart from that, they have my original ID card. I don't understand why they put on in my passport and leave ID card. Why did they put also my ID card for my name? Because I'm a Kenyan. That I'm putting a passport. Because the other issue, maybe father said that I can go out of the country. I can't leave Kisumu to go anywhere. That's just when I go to Uganda to do my duties. But those are my submissions, my lord. Dr. Vincent Makoha, Senior Inspector of Police. This is a senior person they dealt with. And maybe the money was recovered from that person who is their boss. So I don't understand why me as accused, appendix of this is put on my file because it's relevant. I don't need it. So I hope we will go far with this explanation using legal terms to find out how you went to school on this. How is doing education. So to me, it's a small work for someone because people get money out there if they're the police, judiciary, to harass people, and at the end, they lose case when we sue them, then they feel bad. So I attach lawyers to this case to do it. So I request the 4 days I've been inside to be reduced from the application.
Yes, I've already reported that. If you're done, you may have this.
Thank you.